Welcome to this presentation of analysis of past 7 days weather over Goa and the forecast of weather for the coming 7 days for the state of Goa. So if we analyze the minimum temperature of Goa for the past 1 week, we can see that the minimum temperature recorded at Panji and Marmagaon were mostly around 20 and 22 degrees, 21 degrees Celsius respectively. Over Panji, from 10th onwards up to 14th, it hovered around 19 degrees Celsius, whereas for Marmagaon it was around 21 degrees Celsius, and both these values are actually 0.5 to 1 degrees lower than their normal value for these days. So IMD had forecasted on 8th February that the minimum temperature will not have any much of fluctuation. It is going to be around 19 to 21 degrees for the coming 5 days. So that was actually realized regarding temperature forecast. Now, if we see the present conditions of wind over Goa, this is actually the wind pattern at around 1 kilometers of height from mean sea level. So the significant systems that are existing here to Goa as on today is one weak circulation of extending up to around 0.9 kilometers of height over North Madhya Maharashtra, and there is another system called weak trough and easterlies that is extending from North Kerala up to the circulation over Madhya Maharashtra. So as of now, these two systems are not significant to cause any weather over Goa, but in the coming days, situations are going to slightly change. Today, that's on 14th and 15th, we can expect that the northerly winds which were there in the early morning for the past 48 hours, that to continue. That means the minimum temperature will not have any significant change in coming 48 hours. But from 16th onwards, the wind direction is slightly changing. Winds are becoming from northerly, they are slightly having easterly or southeasterly components from 16th or 17th onwards. And how this change of direction affects is when the wind changes from northerly to easterly or southeasterly, the temperature over Goa rises by maybe this time it will be rising by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. That means the minimum temperature can rise by around 1 to 2 degrees Celsius from 17th of February onwards. Once these southeasterly winds come, the southeasterly winds bring some moisture over Goa, along with the trough and circulation that can result in increased cloud formation over Goa from 17th onwards. And once this circulation and trough that were mentioned in the beginning, once they change their locations, they have their intensity varied from 17th February onwards. So we can expect light rain or thunder shower over Goa from 17th of February onwards. And this condition is going to continue for around 2 to 3 days, starting from 17th of February. Once again, if we discuss about how the cloud conditions are going to be on 15th and 14th of February, there is not going to have any significant change in cloud conditions. We can expect mostly clear skies. From 17th onwards, from 16th and 17th onwards, there are going to have cloud formation. It will not be mainly clear skies as it has been for the past 3 or 4 days. Slightly cloud formation begins from 16th or 17th of February. And by 17th of February, late 17th of February and 18th of February onwards, cloud condition is going to increase and we can expect light rain or thunder showers over Goa from 17th of February onwards. Now, if we sum up the forecast, these are the main things. There is going to be a gradual increase in minimum temperatures from around 16th of February over Goa, and the quantum of increase will be around 1 to 2 degrees Celsius in the 3 or 4 days to follow from 16th of February. Then there is going to be an increase in humidity and cloud formation from 17th of February onwards, and there is possibility of light rain or thunder showers from 17th of February onwards. So these forecast and warnings are based on the latest numerical weather prediction models and atmospheric parameters. It is requested that public please be regularly updated with the forecasts and warnings issued by IMD. As of now, there are no severe weather warnings or warnings for fishermen. Please be regularly updated with the information from IMD.